How does communication shape an organization's success? This video explores the intricacies of internal communication within businesses. Discover how effective strategies and practices enhance organizational cohesion. The aim of this unit is to enhance your understanding of communication within organizations. You'll learn about different modes and channels. The focus is on developing and applying communication skills. This knowledge is crucial for meeting organizational needs. Let's delve into how communication practices are structured. Communication models provide a foundation for understanding internal communication. Shannon and Weaver's model highlights the linear transmission of messages. The transactional model emphasizes dynamic interaction. Weich's sense-making theory focuses on interpreting experiences. Giddens' structuration theory explores how communication shapes structures. Formal channels include hierarchies and official meetings. Informal networks, like the grapevine, spread information quickly. Communication technologies enhance connectivity. Tools like intranets and video conferencing are vital. These mechanisms ensure effective information flow. Effective communication starts with leadership. Leaders must clearly convey vision and goals. Transparent communication fosters trust. Employee involvement and feedback are crucial. Regular surveys and meetings provide valuable insights. Investing in communication skills training is essential. It enhances collaboration and conflict resolution. Cultural considerations are important for inclusivity. Understanding diverse styles reduces misunderstandings. Training fosters a supportive communication environment. Internal communication involves several key stages. It starts with the sender creating the message. Encoding translates the message into understandable symbols. The channel is the medium for transmission. The receiver decodes and provides feedback. Clarity and consistency are vital for effective communication. Messages must be relevant and timely. Engagement encourages participation and feedback. Choosing appropriate channels is crucial. Cultural sensitivity ensures inclusivity. Different modes serve various communication purposes. Written communication includes letters and newsletters. Face-to-face communication fosters personal interaction. Electronic communication offers versatility and speed. Conferences align the entire organization. Barriers can impede effective communication. Clarity issues arise from complex language. Technological problems disrupt communication. Interpersonal conflicts hinder open dialogue. Nonverbal cues can be misinterpreted. Communication must adhere to legal standards. The Freedom of Information Act promotes transparency. GDPR protects personal data privacy. Equality legislation ensures inclusivity. Ethical practices build trust and integrity. The Freedom of Information Act grants access to information. Organizations must handle requests efficiently. Accurate communication is essential. Balancing transparency and confidentiality is crucial. Legal compliance avoids reputational damage. GDPR governs personal data processing. Organizations must obtain consent for data use. Data accuracy and protection are vital. Ethical handling of data builds trust. Non-compliance can lead to significant penalties. Equality legislation promotes workplace inclusivity. Communication must be non-discriminatory. Language should be respectful and accessible. Organizations should foster diversity. Inclusion ensures all employees feel valued. Clarity is crucial for effective communication. Complex language can lead to misunderstandings. Messages should be concise and well-structured. Tone influences how messages are received. Clear communication prevents resistance. Nonverbal cues play a significant role in communication. Misinterpretation can lead to misunderstandings. Virtual communication lacks nonverbal feedback. This can result in disengagement. Understanding nonverbal signals enhances communication. Technology facilitates modern communication. Poor connections can disrupt meetings. Choosing the right technology is crucial. Inappropriate use leads to misunderstandings. Effective use enhances communication efficiency. Interpersonal relationships influence communication. Personal conflicts create a hostile environment. Open dialogue is essential for effective communication. Resolving conflicts fosters a positive atmosphere. Healthy relationships enhance collaboration. Training events develop communication skills. They provide hands-on learning experiences. Webinars facilitate remote training. Interactive sessions enhance engagement. These events are crucial for professional growth. Conferences align organizational goals. They foster shared understanding. Meetings provide platforms for collaboration. Strategic sessions motivate employees. Effective meetings enhance team cohesion. In conclusion, understanding how internal communication takes place within organizations is essential for ensuring clarity, collaboration, and effective workflow. Internal communication, whether through meetings, emails, reports, digital platforms, or informal interactions, helps align employees with organizational goals, strengthens teamwork, and reduces misunderstandings. By recognizing the methods, channels, and barriers involved, organizations can create communication systems that promote transparency, trust, and productivity. Effective internal communication ultimately supports better decision-making and enhances overall organizational performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.